Okay, I'm going to say Mr. Sadler writes a book about vampires and werewolves.
Do you like those kind of books?
Just so you know. Oh, here we go. What happened was I try and understand the teenage mind. So whatever's popular for teenagers, I try and understand it. So yes, I have read all the vampire and werewolf books.
Twilight.
No, I'm not saying I said the vampire and werewolf books, but yes, I read the first book. I can see why it was popular. I think the second one was awful, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, the second one
The
was
third one was
good.
good, and the fourth one was good until he like lusted or whatever the word is for the baby. What's it called? Where he what happens? What are they called? Where they're infatuated with him? Imprints. That's what they're looking for. Yes. It was good, and all of a sudden he imprints himself on a baby, and I'm thinking that's getting weird. And just saying. Anyway, here we go. So we'll say if the price is $20, I sell, we'll say $200. We're going to say for each $1 raise, I sell 5 less books. At what price will maximize revenue? Okay, this question with different numbers obviously will be on your next test. Most choice assignments, since we have the internet back and I can print again, your midterm and your final exam. Okay, this question will be on. So say just start texting your friends. You should be listening in on this.
Does that say
For each dollar raise, like $3.
I'm texting her.
Okay, so we're going to say here for this, I'm going to make a quick little chart here for you right now, for the first time through. All right, so my starting price is going to be $20, and my starting sales is $200. Okay, we're good on that? Yeah. Yes. Starting price is 20, the starting sales is 200. That's what, 4,000? All right. So what we want to do is we want to find it so we can find the best price to set it to make the most money. I don't care how many books I sell. If I can set the price of $1 billion and I sell one book, that still gives me $1 billion. I'm a happy person, right? If I set the price for 8 cents and I sell 10 zillion copies and I make $1 billion and $1, I'm going to set the price for 8 cents because then I'll make the most money. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay? So I'm trying to maximize revenue here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little bit of a chart, then we'll make an equation. Because the problem with using a chart, this is what I call the football method. It's guess and check. It's very difficult to find an exact value here. Okay? So let's say I set the price down to $19. Someone other than Cody and Conrad. How many books am I going to sell? So I dropped the price to $1. 205. Very good. Okay, I dropped the price to $1 and go up to 205. If I raise the price to 21, how many books am I going to sell? Someone other than Jake. If I raise the price to 21, 195, very good, right? So the idea is here for this, excellent guys, the idea for this is you're changing this, you're going up by 1, you're going to drop $5, and the same with the opposite, you drop 1, you're going to go up by 5 sales. Can somebody do 19 times 205 and just do the number, because that's getting big? 3895. And this one here too?
4,095.
So it looks to me off to make the price more expensive, it looks like. We'll use math here to figure out the exact number. Are we okay on the logic of what I'm doing here on the right page? No? Are we okay on that? Yes? No? So all I'm doing here, Jennifer, is I'm just doing just this little chart to just sort of see. The price is $20 for every book. I sell 200 books, I make 400. I was told in here, excuse me, if I raise the price by $1, I'm going to sell 5 less books. So the price went from 20 to 21, up $1. The number of books I sell is going to drop by 5. Yeah, I need more money, right? And we'll worry about the maximizing. This is the maximizing energy step. Let's get an equation. Let x equals the number of price raises. And we're going to say revenue is going to be price times sales. Okay, now here's the hard part. Can somebody try and give me an expression for price? So let's say I raise the price once for up to 21. Say I raise the price 5 times up to 25. How can I express that as an expression? Anybody? I'll help you with this one. You guys gotta try on the second one. All I'm gonna say is you're starting at 20, and then plus 1x or plus x. Like every time you go up $1, it's going to be plus 1. Okay, with that knowledge, you're starting at 200. How much are you dropping by each time you raise $1? How much are you dropping by? $5. It's going to be minus 5. Okay, so your price is going up $1 each time. You say stay in the zone here. This is important. Every time your price is going up by $1 each time, so plus x or plus 1x, and it's going to drop $5 if your sales are going to get $5. Okay. We've just made a nice expression. Not quite perfect. Okay, so the way we're going to solve this from here is we're going to step 1 is going to be FOIL. Step 2 is going to be, well, we'll talk about what we're trying to do with step 2. I want to find the maximum. Holly, to keep you wide awake. How do you find the maximum of something? What is the maximum? Vertex. Okay, so let's do this one as a class, and we'll give you one more hopefully trying class here. I'm going to call my revenue to be Y. Can I get a brave soul to show off their foiling skills? Once you answer, you don't need to answer again today. Please volunteer. Foiling skills. Kelty, go.
49, 4,000.
Yeah. That's negative 100. Yeah.
Negative 100.
Good.
And then 200x.
Yeah.
Negative 5x.
I'll need an up view that says y equals negative 5x squared plus 100x plus 4,000. Okay, questions so far? Be brave. Any questions so far? Well, how you feeling? Is Kim okay with that?
She's not doing that.
Okay, can I get a brave soul to give me the first step in completing the square? Actually, I'll pick on someone in particular. Matt.
It'd be y equals minus 5.
Yeah.
Then bracket x squared
Yeah.
plus 20.
Okay, well, minus 20.
Oh, minus 20.
Right, because like just 100 divided by negative 5 is going to square 7 plus 4. 4,000.
Why did the 100 change to a positive? Oh, because you got
Because right, negative 100 plus 200. So. All right, can I get a third volunteer to tell me to do next?
Do brackets negative 25 by 2.
Good, so negative 20 divided by 2. Negative 10 squared, what is negative 10 squared, please? Good. Okay, can I get a fourth volunteer to please tell me what to do with that 100? Added, good. Very good. So y equals negative 5. Bracket x squared minus 20x plus 100 minus 100 plus 4,000. Great. Excellent. Tremendous even. I got our fifth volunteer to be brave. Who comes to do next? Go ahead.
Minus 100 is our brackets.
Just heard you want to come back. Welcome back.
I need my stuff.
great. Can I get one last volunteer to finish this off, please? Please? Go ahead. Okay. Okay, can I get everybody so tell me what the vertex is? Fast? That's what I told you. That's what I told you. I'm gonna pause, just like let everyone get caught up.